EOSE stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of that down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Especially with Eos Energy Enterprise stock, it's a solid bullish market, and especially because this pending one is still pending, you know, it's yet to deliver. That's a winner. I looked to double down in a very similar way when the price was down, but it never gave me a double break, although my idea was so on point. It's just that if I'm like lucky enough and the price does pop up here and gives me the second break, then there's like literally nothing stopping me from just jotting down and doubling down more on EOSE. So I'm just like literally waiting for a second break above this point, and I'm at least first targeting 691 and then onwards, right? And this is only for now, not forever, you know what I mean? So this is how my predictions look like on EOSE right now. I do have previous receipts. And if you do want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.